So I rearranged my base and upgraded a few things. Hiding these at this stage is a good idea, and having them within reach of quite a few things, because you can drop some critters on these now. But this is the latest purchase. They're not too bad. They get rid of your riflemen and heavies. These bombs are pretty good. So let's have a look. I've actually gone up to 13. Is it stage or? Yeah. So I'm up here. Let's check out the replays. You should have shocked those. People underestimate them, so they keep going. Even after they're gone, they still burn you for a bit. So he's using that other dude. What's his name? The healer, and he spawns. But once he dies, the whole strategy's down, because you gotta protect him as well. These guys are good, but they're good maxed out. They're good with medics. Fuse them with medics and a heavy, what's his name? Heavy? No, super heavy. No, what is his name? The guy that shocks. Yeah. He gets them. He should have concentrated everything on here. Oh no, but they had another dude there. He nearly got me. The next one fails to. What is it? What are these engine rooms? The next one fails to destroy. All three just. Not all three, but one. Let's have a look. Come on. Alright. And this is how I did that. So that's his base. A bit too busy here. You should have spread those out more. I was gonna flare to here, so I already stuffed up, but I still win. I was gonna flare them first and then shock it, but I ended up shocking when I thought I was flaring. Whatever. So I thought I wasn't gonna make it there for a while, because I was running low on gunboat energy, and these guys here look like they're gonna die. But then the turntables, I get to shock a few things and heal my troops. The healing's very good. I mean, this is what's helping me pass some of these, because heavies are good at taking damage, but when they're running low, then you know you gotta act quick. These guys are really good. They're bombardiers or whatever. Yeah, they're nice. I think they deal like over 1,000 damage. So that's just terrific. These cannons, the boom cannon, they can get them. So if you got like 3 or 4 of them, just shoot a flare at that boom cannon, and then you can eliminate it. That's why I shot a flare here, because otherwise I would have gone through all their bombs and I would have lost. They will heal them quickly a little bit. Even a little bit's more than nothing. There you go. Get that first. Then the machine gun. And then the flamethrower. And we're home free. So hopefully I'll get a few more wins. So I'd like to make it over 50% this time around. Thanks for watching. Hope it wasn't boring. Just sharing.